Guys, pupunta kami ngayon ng Las Vegas, David, John Shermani. Okay?
Laban na.
Laban na. Yeah. Yan yung sasakyan namin ngayon, yung private plane. Haplas! Haplas Joy. Guys, papunta na kami ng Las Vegas mo guys. Yan. Okay. So okay, dito na po tayo sa Las Vegas. Ayan. May press conference si Shermani. Pacquiao versus Barrios. Sabi, tagal ko nang hindi nakapunta rito, almost 4 years. MGM. Yeah. Ganda nung blue private plane. Ito guys, puro private plane nandito guys. Yung iba guys, pumunta lang dito para magsugal. Yung mga mayayaman. Dito tayo. Ito yung sasakyan natin ngayon. Dito naman tayo. Okay guys. Yan.
Viva Las Vegas. Viva Las Vegas.
Grabe. Woo! So, tignan mo guys, ang dami-daming private planes. Yung mga may-ari dito guys, pupunta lang dito para magsugal. Ay, ganda ng blue.
Ganda ng blue.
Ganda ng blue. Yung mga tao rito, yung mga bilyonaryo, nagsusugal lang. Yung mga private plane nila, gamit nila. Yan, oh. Ayan guys, dyan na papunta ngayon guys sa Mandalay. Grabe. It's nice to be back here. Grabe, 4 years bago nang rating dito. Ito yung MGM World. Juan, how are you, Juan? Nice to meet you, bro. Ha?
Ikuta po rin ang TV.
Siya?
Ikuta po rin kamera nito.
Pero lagi. Oh. Yan o. Solo to. Solo flight. Okay guys, dito kami ngayon sa Las Vegas guys ha. Press conference ng Manny Pacquiao versus Barrios. Okay? It's nice to be back here in Las Vegas.
Alright.
Okay? Ito si Haplas. Oh. Okay?
Hi. We just landed here in Las Vegas.
Oh.
I've been 6 years, 4 years.
4 years.
Vegas.
Excited.
Yeah, it's exciting, man. Be this nice when the fight happens.
I don't know, man. We'll see. When you were sparring Ronald Guerrero. But so you know that
That was his fighter.
So I told everybody I was the mole in the cap sparring for Barrios 20 years later.
3 in English, 1 in Spanish.
1, 2, and 3. 1, 2.
Let me get one right.
Why this has been like being on such a big platform to put it on.
All right, well, I want to thank both Sebastian Fundora and Tim Tszyu. You guys are going to pose for on Saturday, July 19th from MGM Grand Garden Arena in Las Vegas.
Sorry.
Right in the middle, guys. Right in the middle, please.
Hit up for interviews and everything, and I know, even today, this is just a start for everything for this fight. But I'm here, I'm ready, I'm the champion for a reason, and this is a huge fight, easily, it could be fight of the year. So like I said, I'm excited.
You've been involved on big cards before, so it's almost like we've seen this maturation process. In your mind, is this like you kind of graduating as to say, I'm the headliner, I'm taking on the great Manny Pacquiao, it's my belt?
Yeah, I think definitely, all the, these, the other pay-per-views, I have headlines, these other.
Okay guys, dito kami dati sa 60th floor. Dito kami nagstay na hotel. Yan, tingnan, makikita natin yung Mandalay.
Kwarto na namin dati ito.
Ano nga itong hotel ito? Hindi, itong... Mandalay. Oh, tama.
Sean Porter told me when he sparred. What is that? He said the fight between how he was for the last fight. He said I never even saw it.
That's what I'm saying. You're going to be fresher and rewarded. You guys tricky.
Yeah, to a microphone.
It's a weird style.
Get Spence go to a microphone.
Want to do it right now?
Guys, pauwi na kami ng Los Angeles. Ha? Ito na kami.
Back to LA.
LA. Grabe, ang init ng hangin. Mas Jupi, oh.
Yo, back to LA. Here we come. Pacquiao, baby. Yeah. Don't forget the camera.
Ayun na, papunta na po kami ng LA. Sasakay kami ng private plane ngayon. Yung sinakyan namin kanina. Yan!
Ito na ito.
Change the camera setting.
Grabe guys, alas 8 na ng gabi guys, pero meron pang maliwanag pa rito.